What's going on, everybody? Today is February 11th, the crypto market recap. What did we see here? So a little bit more continuation on the Bitcoin dominance down, which is a great thing for alts. That's what we want to see. We want to see this lose the panic low here. We want to lose this level still. We have a bit of a 4-hour trend change, so that's good overall. Now we want to change it to the daily trend change and break this low. So Bitcoin, it's just choppy as hell. Very choppy. It's having issues with this 50 moving average and 12 moving average on the daily. So what are we looking at here? We're still looking at this broadening wedge. Waiting for this to mark a low. We haven't had that happen yet on the 4-hour, but still watching this, which way this broadening wedge will break. Ethereum still back testing this wedge. We need to start bouncing on the 4-hour now. See, it's respecting these lines, that's for sure. That's what we want to see. Now we need to change the 4-hour trend back to the bulls. Get this 4-hour. We broke this level. Now we need to see follow through on this level. We don't want to get back into this range. XRP. Wow, sideways. Sideways. This is going to be, these are the key levels to play. Litecoin. We have this inverse cup or inverse head and shoulders kind of potential here. So now we're forming a right shoulder. We need to see nice consolidation here. Ideally we hold, you don't want to lose the 0.5. Then we're not talking about an inverse head and shoulders anymore so much, but we're still well above the 0.382. So Litecoin looks good, as I've been saying here. Litecoin's one of the stronger names. We're way above the panic dump there. Yeah, we're floating here near this breakout level. So we're in a monthly bull flag. Trying to set that monthly higher low. Get an extended move to the upside. Then we would just be looking for a lower high than here. Yeah, lower high than here. So yeah, that's what we're looking at for Litecoin. BNB, we set this weekly high 648. Nope, well, we still haven't set it. We're still an inside bar on the weekly. So we need to break this high here. And we're triple topping on the daily right now. Also, BNB is another name that it's above its panic low here, candle day. Overall, BNB is one of the stronger names. Just looking for a monthly higher low still. So that's good to see. Higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. We want to see this get set, and we need to break this candle next month, or we break this candle to set that. Solana, still an inside bar in the month. Finding its weekly higher low. We still have a weekly head and shoulders we could be looking at, so caution on that. We still haven't even technically set this weekly higher low yet. So we need to change the daily trend here. We need to set this higher low here and break above this level. Otherwise, we are at risk of head and shoulders here. Link. Catching support on the 200 because it's just perfect. Now we've got a head and shoulders here we're looking at, 4-hour perfect head and shoulders. Don't want to lose these lows. Generally, you don't want to lose the 0.5 of the move, and we have. So expect a lower high than this and us to possibly get choppy at this point. But we're still trying to find a 4-hour high low. This is just an inside bar, double inside bar here. Sui. Yeah, Sui's looking a bit better. We're still way below the panic low, so that is the most important thing. We're trying to find a daily lower high than this level right here. So wherever this move tops out, a lot of profit taking on today's candle. So caution on that. We have made enough room for, so we could get choppy here. Looks like we're going golden pocket to golden pocket type situation. So golden pocket, yep. And then try it again from the reverse. Yep, golden pocket to golden pocket. Just a tightening range here. Pretty predictable. Hype. So we have this big cup and handle potential. We're bouncing on the daily. We're seeing upper wicks again. This is such a choppy chart. I don't think we'll get true direction until we either lose this or break this level. But we could be choppy in here for quite some time. And that is probably the most likely scenario, is that we just get so choppy here and eventually it's going to break one of these levels and something will happen. Mochi's just fading. Oh, down. Yeah, Mochi's on the trash list. It broke its panic low. What is it? Oh, well, yeah, I mean, we're just looking for a weekly higher low than this candle here. Like, it's not good. We didn't hold this previous high. I don't know. We need to set a weekly higher low, and that starts with a daily trend change. And we're nowhere near figuring that out yet. Hopefully we find support here at the 200 moving average. Alpha. Got a double top here. Let's see the 4 hour. Yeah, see, we had an equilibrium here. We broke bull. We didn't get any follow through. Now we're kind of tightening up again. But we're way far down from, oh no, actually there's the panic low. It's just we're way far down from, yeah, we were coming from weakness anyways. So we're double topped on the weekly right now. We need to see a week like this. We need to see this level break, and then we would just be looking for a weekly lower high than 0.0932 this high here. Ondo. Yeah, we got this tightening range here. Hopefully we break bull. Seeing lots of upper wicks. This is not ideal. Not that it can't turn around, it's just not an ideal setup. But yeah, it's very much respecting this equilibrium here. So playing the break of that. Kaspa, big shooting star candle here. So that's very unfortunate to see. Giving a lot of the day back. Now we're into an hourly bear flag. So potential downside risk here. We are in a big equilibrium at this point. So as long as we don't lose these lows, 0.08165, we'll still be in that. We can get very choppy. So far we're losing the 0.5. We're right below the 0.5. So I mean, it's a good chance we're just gonna chop up here. AVAX. We got our 4 hour. Sorry. Jesus. Okay, we have an hourly trend change anyways. We need this to break up and get our 4 hour trend change. But that's a start. We've broken this high here. Now we're waiting for the higher low. We've retraced too much to just go straight up into another high. So now we would be looking for an equilibrium, most likely scenario to play out here. But overall, AVAX is just not a strong name. Not a strong name. Trump's still garbage too. We got a quick daily lower high, and we're close to breaking down again. Trump's pretty much in a free fall pattern here. It's just 4 hour trend is just the guide. So until there's a 4 hour trend change, we're in pretty much free fall mode in a sense. because we like, let's see where we, yeah, we haven't had, I mean, we double top there essentially, so I wouldn't even call that. But since here, we've been 4 hour, like, yeah, we've been in a 4 hour downtrend with just a big nasty one, and that was kind of an equilibrium, and then it just broke bear. So nothing, we have not seen a 4 hour trend change since the all-time highs, and I caution on this name. Like, we have a lot of downside risk at this point. We're just heading, it looks like we're heading to the all-time lows. We've made enough bounce on this 4 hour that we could see a higher low, and actually we probably hit the golden pocket on this one, so we might be hitting the golden pocket on the way down right now, so we might tighten up here. But until a 4 hour trend change happens, I mean, I guess you could kind of call this one, but then we just broke down right after, so it was just kind of a fake out. So I don't know. Trump doesn't look good. And I guess that's it. That's it. I will see you for the pre-market tomorrow.